Hello everyone, today I'm cooking a simple and delicious sweet Thai chili sauce with fried fish. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 800 grams of whole fish, like sea bass or ikan siakap. Cut and clean 5 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce or Mae Panom chicken sauce. This is what it looks like. You can get it from most supermarkets in Malaysia. Half a cup of shredded green mango. 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of minced leaf, half red chili, and half of the red onions. Start with cutting the minced leaf into small strips. Alright, leave it aside. Next, prepare the hot oil in the pan. The oil must be really hot before putting in the fish. Next, marinate the fish with salt. Sprinkle the salt on the fish and rub it on the body and in between cuts, the stomach, and on the other side. Alright, the fish is marinated. Next, sprinkle the tapioca flour on the fish for both sides. This is to absorb the moisture from the fish and also to prevent oil splatter. Okay, the fish is ready. We can fry it now. Position the fish properly, as once we place the fish in the pan, it should not be moved until it is cooked and separated from the bottom of the pan. Alright, we are going to leave it to cook for 7 minutes. After about 5 minutes, let's check if the fish has separated from the bottom of the pan. The fish has separated from the pan. I can move the fish now. Let's put the fish tail in the oil. As it did not cook properly, I have got to hold it like this for a while, and then we are going to flip it to cook on the other side. Let it continue to cook for another 5 minutes on this side. While waiting for the fish to cook, we are preparing the vegetable. In the mixing bowl, add in the red onions, shredded green mango, red chili, half of the cut minced leaf, and mix it. Okay, leave it aside for now. After 5 minutes, the fish is ready and has separated from the bottom of the pan. Lift it up and allow the fish tail to cook a bit more to enhance the crispiness. Alright, it is cooked perfectly. I will take it out from the pan, rest it on the cooling rack, and leave it for about 30 seconds to drip off the excess oil. Let's serve. Place the fried fish onto the serving plate. Add on the mixed vegetable and arrange it nicely on the side and a bit on the top of the fish. Next, top it with a lovely sweet Thai chili sauce. Put it directly on the top of the fish so that it will flow down the side and on the mixed vegetable. Add some on the vegetable for both sides. So lovely! Here is the delicious sweet Thai chili sauce with fried fish. Let's eat! It is so delicious. The fish is crispy from the outside and soft inside. The mixed vegetables are very fresh and crunchy, perfect with sweet Thai chili sauce. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.